Cryptocurrency is the alternative to cash and credit card. It is taking the digital world by storm. Many companies are accepting the payments through cryptocurrency these days. On the other hand, cryptocurrency has become a home for many hackers. With the rise in the Bitcoin value, many people are showing interest in investing in Bitcoins. The cryptocurrency is backed by the blockchain technology that is having a positive impact on wallets. Welcome back to another episode of Hustler's Headquarters. Subscribe now, so you never miss any of our uploads as soon as they're available so you can start your journey. Let's get started with this episode. Here are a few advantages of cryptocurrency. 1. Easy transactions. When you are doing business or dealing with brokers or legal representatives, there is a lot of transaction fees that you must pay for every transaction. On top of it, there is a lot of paperwork, brokerage fee, commission and other things to be met. When you use cryptocurrency, it removes the need of the middleman. The transaction would take place one-to-one on the secure network. The transactions would be transparent, and it becomes easier for you to establish the audit trails. There would be no more confusion on who is going to pay whom. The parties who are involved in the transaction would know each other well. 2. Asset transfers. The cryptocurrencies can be used to transfer the ownership of assets on one name to another name by paying the seller through Bitcoin. It all happens in the blockchain ecosystem. It facilitates you to carry out the transactions safely and securely. The cryptocurrencies would be designed to add third-party approvals and can be completed on the future date. If you are the person who holds the cryptocurrency and has authority on the account, you can reduce the time and expenses involved in the transaction of assets. 3. Low transaction fee. When you check the bank statement, you would be cribbing on the transaction fee charged for every transaction you are carrying out. If you are performing a lot of transactions every month, then the fee would be whopping. The data miners would receive their compensation from the cryptocurrency network, so there would be no charge or very less charge on the transaction fee. If you are entrusting the responsibility of maintaining your crypto wallet to the third party, you must pay for the service. However, the transaction fees charged by cryptocurrency transactions would be lesser compared to the traditional financial system. 4. Strong security. When you perform the transaction in cryptocurrency, you cannot reverse it. There will be a reliable encryption technique used throughout the cryptocurrency transaction process to protect from hackers and tampering the information. 5. Decentralization. The blockchain technology will manage the database that has the Bitcoin transaction records. The decentralization would involve only two parties in the transaction, i.e., the sender and receiver. You no more have to deal with any third party. NFTs. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have been the most recent talk of the industry. In most cases, they act as collectibles. They're a unique approach to blockchain's immutability. Owning an NFT is proof beyond dispute that you own whatever it represents. Their recent rapid rise in popularity shows that they added a whole new dimension to digital art ownership, for example. One of the most obvious advantages is that you can earn money by selling NFT-based art. If your NFT grows in popularity, the royalties you receive can also generate an income. You almost don't need too much blockchain-related know-how. There are plenty of tutorials on how to create your own NFT. If you already have the artwork, you can turn it into an NFT in a few simple steps that depend on your marketplace of choice. Of course, on an enterprise level, you could always hire a team of artists and developers to join forces and represent your company in the best possible way. However, an important question on everyone's minds is if there is enough interest for NFTs. But the answer is simpler than it may seem. The assets are selling for incredible amounts of money. Are these prices realistic? Probably not. But while the prices may seem over the top, they're proof that there is real demand for NFTs. Even if the prices don't stay as high as they currently are, during the hype, there is still a very real market for digital art collectibles. For a business looking to connect with crypto enthusiasts, issuing NFTs can make all the difference. The Metaverse. Think of the Metaverse as a digital realm of the future, like the next evolution of the internet. Fully developed, it could one day allow people to interact, work and play in immersive virtual spaces. And as major technology players embrace the idea, and, in some cases, peg the future of their business on it, it's also creating opportunities for investors, namely in virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. In fact, as these technologies evolve to create increasingly connected digital experiences, total VR/AR spending worldwide is estimated to reach $72.8 billion in 2024, from $12 billion in 2020. We are not sure what the future holds, but we can say that things are changing rapidly, and we have to hop on the train or else we'll be left behind. Payment, for goods and services, is something that has been going on since the dawn of humanity. The only change has been how it has been enacted. From bartering to cryptocurrencies, methods of payment have changed dramatically throughout human history, and we are in the midst of another wave of change. Many will feel that cryptocurrencies are the catalyst for the newest payment revolution, but those predictors are probably getting ahead of themselves. Although crypto certainly works for new and different payment methods, it is embryonic compared to the real latest trend. Payment apps and portals are where the future of money and payment are heading. Not only is it the convenience, but it is also the added uses that can come from an app that is driving this new wave of adoption. And with that, we've reached the end of this episode all about what the future holds involving monetary systems. What are your thoughts on the previously mentioned topic about what the future holds for monetary systems? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this one and found it intriguing, remember to leave a like on the video and to subscribe to Hustlers Headquarters for even more amazing videos, just like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.